Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I've demonstrated how to enable the GDPR cookie banner on your Shopify store, completely free with no third-party apps needed. Before we begin, remember, GDPR and other privacy compliances are your responsibility. Shopify provides tools, but it's up to you to make sure your store follows the laws in your country or region. All right, let's walk through it. Go to your Shopify settings, then click Customer Privacy. You'll see three main sections here. First is your privacy policy. This should already be published on your store. Make sure it says Enabled, Complete, Automated. Next is the cookie banner. This appears for visitors in regions like Denmark, Finland, and 10 other countries that require cookie consent. If it shows Enabled, Complete, Automated, you're covered. Last is the Data Sharing Opt-out page, important for California, Colorado, and 13 other U.S. states. Again, just make sure it says Active, Enabled, Automated. That's it. Super easy, no app installs, no code. To double-check your store's compliance, I've added a few free GDPR checker websites in the description.